Hammer toes are another serious, painful deformity of the forefoot. They come from the fact that the second, third, fourth, and fifth toes grab the ground with every step you take. The big toe propulses you. The second, third, fourth, and fifth grab the ground when your foot makes contact. And they stay grabbing the ground until the moment your heel lifts off for propulsion. At that moment, they extend out and become a lever arm so that you propulse straight ahead. Both functions very important if we're going to stand upright when we walk. If you have instability in your foot, if the 26 bones in your foot do not play together real well, because genetically when you were conceived you didn't get a really good set of 26 bones, then that instability is going to translate into the toes grabbing the ground a split second longer, 8 to 10,000 steps a day, 365 days a year, and the toes will eventually slowly shorten. Just like my hair turning gray. It wasn't always this color. It's a slow process. And one day you find that in the shoes, you're rubbing up on the top and creating what we call a corn, which is really just a friction irritation, or you're noticing instability because when the toes start to contract, they cannot function as they should. And as we get older, stability is essential during our gait. So hammer toes need to be addressed. And again, in our practice, we look at what's causing the problem. Many times it can be addressed conservatively with an orthotic, perhaps physical therapy. If the hammer toes have become rigid or need to be fixed, that can be done with very small screws, and you can turn to a different section on our website and see some of these x-rays. It can be done once again, outpatient surgery, minimal discomfort, and back to work within a few weeks, and the deformity is now corrected permanently.